Hello, everyone. Today, we're exploring an exciting development from Microsoft that's set to revolutionize the way we work with digital tools. We're talking about Microsoft Copilot, a cutting-edge AI assistant designed to enhance productivity and creativity across various Microsoft applications. Let's dive into what Microsoft Copilot is all about. First things first, what exactly is Microsoft Copilot? In simple terms, it's an artificial intelligence tool integrated into Microsoft's suite of applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. Its goal is to make your work easier, faster, and more efficient by automating tasks, generating content, and providing intelligent suggestions. Imagine you're working on a report in Word. With Copilot, you can simply describe what you need, and it'll draft the content for you, saving you time and effort. Or if you're struggling with data analysis in Excel, Copilot can help you interpret your data and even suggest the best types of charts to represent your findings. But how does it work? Microsoft Copilot uses advanced AI algorithms and machine learning to understand your requests and the context of your work. It then applies this understanding to generate responses and perform tasks. It's like having a highly skilled assistant who's always ready to help, making your workday smoother and more productive. Our vision with Copilot was to create a tool that empowers everyone to achieve more. Whether you're drafting emails, creating presentations, or analyzing data, Copilot is there to enhance your capabilities and let you focus on what truly matters. Of course, with any AI technology, there are questions about accuracy and privacy. Microsoft assures users that Copilot is designed with security in mind, ensuring that your data remains private and protected. As for accuracy, while Copilot is incredibly advanced, it's always a good idea to review its suggestions, as with any automated tool. So, to sum up, Microsoft Copilot is a game-changing AI assistant that integrates with Microsoft's suite of applications to help automate tasks, generate content, and offer intelligent suggestions. It's designed to make your work more efficient and enjoyable, all while ensuring your data's security. And that's a wrap on our overview of Microsoft Copilot. We're excited to see how this technology evolves and the impact it will have on productivity and creativity in the workplace. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.